Management is the process of planning, organizing, activating, and controlling an organization's operation in order to achieve coordination of man, machine, money, and material essential in the effective and efficient attainment of objectives. In simple words, management is an important economic organ of the present industrial society. Management is the coordination of human and physical resources. According to F. W. Taylor, management is the art of knowing exactly what you want men to do and then seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. According to Henry Fayol, management is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command and to coordinate and to control. Management is needed in every type of business, whether it is small in size or large in size. It is needed to manage economic or non economic, individual or social, local, regional, national, or public problems. Characteristics or features of management. Management is a continuous activity. Management is a group activity, universal process, art as well as science, determine object, social process related with human efforts. Management is a profession, relational process. Management is intangible. Management is creative, multidisciplinary, dynamic discipline. Objectives of management: overcome the limitations of individuals, helpful in achieving the predetermined objectives, maximum utilization of all the available resources, getting maximum result through minimum efforts, to maintain cordial relationship between capital and labor, protecting the owner's interest, helpful in the development of labor force, to increase the efficiency of the factors of production, human service and social justice, maximum production at a minimum cost. Management helps in increasing competition, development of the nation, efficient running of business, benefits to both business as well as society. Management is required for economic planning. Importance of management in India for industrial development, increase export trade, computation of large scale operations, increasing in size and complexities of business, increasing employment opportunities, getting benefit from modern techniques. Management is necessary to control modern competition, bring coordination between top management and workers. Administration means to determination of objectives, targets, and policies of an enterprise. Management is the art of getting things done through and with other people in an organized group. There is two types of management: administration management, operative management. Administrative management work policy formulation, planning and determining standards. Operative management use of man, material, machine and money, execution of policies and operation of routine work. The following activities are covered under the scope of management: planning, organization, staffing, directing, coordinating, controlling. The operational aspects of business management called the branches of management are as follows. First, production of management. Second, marketing management. Third, financial management. Fourth, personal management. And five, office management. Process of management: planning, organization, staffing, direction, control. Henry Fayol, the father of management. Henry Fayol, the universalist and the father of general management, was born in France in 1841. He graduated in 1860 as mining engineer and joined a France mining company the same year. He started He worked as a junior executive in a, in the company in 1892. Thereafter, he was promoted as general manager in the company. In 1898, he was appointed as the chief executive of the company. His managerial excellence was reflected by the fact that he turned the losing company into flourishing organization. After his retirement in 1916, he developed himself for writing principles and practice of management. Fayol's original classic book, Administration Industrial General, was written in France and published in 1916. It was translated into English and as General and Industrial Administration in 1929, but remained unnoticed until it was translated as General and Industrial Management in 1949. Fayol's principles of management: decision of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interests and general interests, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability, initiative,